So, yeah, next we will go to Jane or Jane Haavaldsen. Maybe you can tell me how to correctly pronounce your name. I was already wondering.
Jane
Jane.
Haavaldsen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Haavaldsen. Okay. Right.
Mm.
To learn Norwegian. So, Amiblu and pipe producer. And the question for you is, so I think you're producing glass fiber composite pipes. So they have or among others, they have a service life of more than 100 years. But how do we rise to the challenge of upcycling of glass fiber multi-components composites? So I think, if I'm not mistaken, the wind farms maybe have the same problems. They also use glass fiber, so that would be
Right.
my question.
Yeah, well, thank you. Thanks for all the talks. I learned a lot today about co-processing. We've been using co-processing in post-industrial waste for many years. And I think one of the key things for us is to understand the R1 and R5 and really get it accepted as a raw material recycling as well, because generally it's all been about the energy. And for us to really succeed in supporting the push to better waste management, I would like to reiterate what everybody's been saying about actually taxing and removing landfill and promoting these. But we also see from our customers that many customers are skeptical, our end users who ask us about the end of life route for recycling. They're actually skeptical to cement kiln. We're also commented that cement kiln is downcycling, removing energy and making aggregates that go into cement, and circularity and upcycling of the glass fiber products, be they windmills or glass fiber reinforced pipes, is important. So I think it's important with these cross-industry discussions that we have today in order to understand each other's approach the final consumer and to be able to work together really to make a good history based in the science to promote the energy and the raw material recycling using cement kiln reprocessing.
The question would be, how to address the challenges of recycling versus a high carbon footprint.
Yes, this comes back to our glass fiber issues. We've talked about windmill blades that are 20 and 30 meters long or even longer now in the future. And Amiblu pipes also go up to 4 meters diameter. So there's a lot to do with size reduction, shredding and grinding for recycling, which really drives the CO2 in the recycling process before the circularity can start. And this is something that we always have to have a discussion with our customers. So for us, the co-processing route is very attractive, and we're looking forward to more activities there. And also, I wanted to touch on something that's already been mentioned by one of the previous participants, the CBAM. We see in the glass fiber business, both for windmills and pipes, there's a lot of imports from China and Turkey, from Chinese raw materials. And we struggle as a European-based producer with the local content, trying to push down our CO2 footprint, increasing longevity, that we are importing problems, recycling, reuse CO2 challenges from other parts of the world. And we have struggled really at the EU level to get really any momentum going. So we're hoping that the CBAM is going to also trickle down from the big construction projects where you have a lot of cement and building to also plastic pipes, because this is really a challenge for Europe in the future, in our opinion.